Welcome to our channel. If you want to share your Amazon Prime membership with family members, follow these step-by-step instructions to add household members to your account. Step 1. Log in to your Amazon Prime account through the official website using your primary account credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the account settings or household section from your account dashboard. Step 3. Look for the option to add a household member or share membership and click on it. Step 4. Enter the email address of the person you want to add to your household. Make sure the email is correct. Step 5. Send the invitation and wait for the recipient to accept it. They will receive an email with instructions to join your household. Step 6. The invited person must have their own account and accept the household invitation through the link in their email. Step 7. Once accepted, verify that the new member appears in your household settings and has access to shared benefits. Step 8. Review the household sharing rules and ensure everyone understands what benefits are shared and any limitations that apply. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.